Hey there, curious minds. In this instructional video, I will guide you through the process of installing Visual Studio Code from your computer. Firstly, go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Then, go to Uninstall a program. If you're unable to locate it, just change the view by category. Then, click on Install a program. Search for Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Then click on the right button in the mouse and click on Install. Are you sure you want to completely remove Visual Studio Code and all of its components? Click yes and wait some seconds or some minutes depending on the speed of your computer. So finally you'll find this message: Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from your computer. So see you in the next video.